Hello, welcome back. In this very tutorial, we're gonna start creating our page content. So first of all, I'm gonna create a session in the HTML file after this page content. So we're gonna create another div. Let's create another div and give the div an ID of section. Then let's come to our layout of CSS, and after the page, let's come here and create a style for the section. Told you, for those of the reason why I choose this why I put this hash sign before the section is to tell the style that this style is actually affecting the div with an ID. For an ID selector, use an hash sign. I told you before in my previous video. So let's give it a height. Let's give it a height of 300 pixels. Okay. Save our file. So after that, our page content, let's give it a background color, a background image. Sorry, we're going to put an image in our page content, a background image in our page content. So let's go to layer the CSS, and you come to page content, and you say background dash image, and you browse for the file. Here's our image, and it is in JPEG. That's that. So again, you see background dash repeat, and you say to no repeat. So now let's save our file. Come to your source, let's save. Let's preview in a browser and see how it looks like. Alright, you can see the background image in the page content, and it's looking nice. So let's add some text. So come to the page content. First of all, let's create a heading. Let's create a heading, and there are different type of heading. You see, I just write h, and you bring me the type of heading. You can create an heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, heading 4 to heading 6. These heading 1, heading 2, heading 6 are in different size. While heading 1 is the largest, followed by heading 2, followed by heading 3. So if you want your heading to be very large, use heading 1. If you want to be a little bit not too large, use heading 2. If you want it not to be that large, you can just pick from any of these ones. So I want this very image to be very large, so you're going to be our front heading. So I'll give it heading 1, and you close the tag. You use your close tag. So let's write some text inside this. Let's say learn from the masters. Okay, or better to say learn free online. You can put anything of any test of your chest, depends on type of website you are creating. Learn free tutorial at your free time. Okay. Let's go to layout.css. There's something I want to show you. Now we're going to set the default position of every text in the page to center. So for that, we're going to say text align in the body. We're going to say text align in the body should be center. That means any text in the body should be placed center. So we're going to save it, and for that, if you preview this, let's preview in our browser. Save. Alright, you can see the heading 1 is placed at the center of the page. So we are going to be using our CSS to control this heading, make it more finer. Oh, sorry, I don't know if there's any word like finer. Okay, go to our menu.css, and we're going to create a style rule for that. So let's say h1. So for h1, let's give it a font family. You can choose any of this font family of your choice, depends on how you want it to look. And give it a font size. Let's give it a font size of 35 pixels. Give it a font weight. Font width of bold. And let's give it a line height. These are different properties you can use to style a text. Line height. Let's give it a line height of 50 pixels. Let's give it a color. Let's give it a color. Let's choose a color. I give it a color of some like yellow. Okay. Let's give it a padding. Top. Let's give it a padding from the top. Let's say 20 pixels. Okay, I think that's enough. Let's save our file now, and let's preview in the browser and see. Okay, I think it's looking more better now, but I want us to still shift it down a little bit. So we're going to increase the padding top from 20. Let's make it like let's say 30, so the text can be somewhere here. So let's go back to our text editor and it says padding top. Let's increase padding top to like 30, or let's say 40. Okay. Okay, let's say G. Okay, you can see the text is more further than it was before. So we're going to create another paragraph in this heading. I'm going to come inside the page. You're going to see a P tag. P tag stands for paragraph, and we close the P tag. So inside the P tag we can put in anything. You can say learn from our creative and industry experts. Yeah, you can put anything of your choice. I'm just writing this. It can be anything you want. So let's style this paragraph inside the body. Let's give it a P. Yes. Test align center. I'll give it the font size of, let's say, 20 pieces. Okay, let's say font size of, raise it to like 18. Let's say 18 pieces. Okay, let's increase our header to 40. I think that will make it more bigger. Let me save. Previewing our browser again. Okay, you can see our text is beginning to take shape. So you can put anything in your page content. You can put your paragraph, you can put a button tag or any other kind of design if you want to. A card. I'll show you how to create your panel or your card or wherever you want to put to make your page more beautiful. Okay, so in our next tutorial we'll continue from starting from here and adding more style and more features to our page. For now, my time is up. Don't forget to subscribe, comment and like. If you have any question, please hit in the comments and you get answers. Thanks for watching.